beautiful seeded banana bread with whole wheat flour is ready. Once it cools down, then we'll check how the texture is from inside. So we will be baking a seeded walnut whole wheat banana bread, and I cannot wait to bake that for you all. So let's bake it. Okay, to start with, I have 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour. I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So here's 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in this, which will help me fluff up the bread. So it's just 1/4 teaspoon all go in, and a pinch of salt. Why salt is added? Just to cut off all that sweetness, so it balances the sweetness in any kind of sweet. Let's start sieving this. Once you sieve the flour, what happens is it makes any of your bake very airy. So let's sieve the flour. Once this is done, keep everything aside. And another important thing that we have to do now is we are taking flaxseed powder. So this is an eggless bake. I am going to replace eggs with this flaxseed. So this is flaxseed powder. You just have to, these are not toasted. You just have to grind 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of water in this. So once you mix this, keep it aside for a while. It will become a consistency of an egg, which we are going to use later in our bread. So this adds omega in your bread and also acts as an egg. These are really ripe bananas that I have, which you would not consume just like that. So maybe you'll use it in a smoothie. We are baking a bread with this. So we got the banana, and I'm adding 1/3 cup of this coconut sugar. You can increase the amount of banana and reduce the amount of sugar. This is coconut oil, which is 1/4 cup. Mash everything up and use a hand blender or any of your mixer. Mix it well, and then we'll do the next process. So the bananas are blended with the sugar and coconut oil. I'm going to add the flaxseed mix now in this. So all goes in. You can even add a chia seed egg in case you don't have flaxseed. You can add chia seed and some vanilla essence that will take away the banana smell and give you nice vanilla flavor. So a teaspoon of vanilla extract goes in. Mix up well. So now the wet mixture is ready, and we're going to add the dry mixture into wet. Always add in batches, don't add together. So this goes in. I am also going to add some almond meal in this, and for that I have ground 1/4 cup of almonds, which will go in, and then we are going to mix it. So this is 1/4 cup of almonds which are ground into a mixer. Some more aromatics that go in. So this is cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon. You can also add cardamom powder or 5 spice powder in this. I have also got some walnuts, which you see I've added a pinch of flour in it, and then mixed into it, and then I'm adding it. Okay, why did I put flour in the the walnuts? That's because if you don't add flour, the walnuts will all sink at the bottom. So this keeps them all around the bread. I've also added some seeds, that is some sunflower seeds in it. You can add flaxseed or melon seeds as you like. Just mix all this gently. I've greased this pan, and I'm just putting some flour around. You can put a parchment paper if you like. mixture goes in. A nice healthy bread. You can bake it for your breakfast and or for your children's tiffin box. At least it doesn't have too much butter and it doesn't have all-purpose flour. So it has almonds, walnuts, seeds, banana, healthy. Okay, now let's do some toppings. We can add some rolled oats on top, some chia seeds, pepitas, flaxseed. It's just totally your choice what you would like to do with this. There are chia seeds here, and then I'm going to top it up with some small bananas on top. So slit it into thin stripes and just place them on top. That's it. So now let's bake this. I've already preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 C. I'm going to bake this bread for 40 minutes at around 175 Celsius. Let's bake this baby at 175 C for around 35 minutes. Beautiful banana bread, which is vegan, eggless, and has goodness of seeds and walnuts and whole wheat flour is ready. Enjoy this, and if you like it, do let me know. Thank you for watching.